Did you know that the autofill feature by CoreFact works with Social Share? That's right, with just the click of a button, you can automatically fill any one of our property, promotion, social share designs with your listing information and post it directly to your social media accounts or schedule it for a later date. It's easy. Let's get started. Head over to Social Share and use the Property Promotion tab to browse all available designs. Select a design that you would like to use. Click Edit Design. Once you're in the CoreFact editor, click the Autofill My Listing button and choose a listing that you would like to promote. You'll see the design update with your property photos and information. To choose a different property photo, click on it and pick the photo you would like to use from Template Images. The text is editable if you would like to make changes or add additional information. Depending on the design you choose, you may be able to edit the colors to match your brand. Additionally, you can add your headshot by clicking the Image button, Account, and then choosing your photo. Click and drag the corners of the image to resize it, and grab it to move it wherever you would like. Once you're happy with the layout, click the Save button at the bottom. You'll be brought back to the Drafts page where you can adjust the caption, select which accounts you would like to share it to, and choose if you would like to share now or schedule it for later. Log on to Social Share today to see how it works with your listings and check out our Social Share FAQ to learn more about how to connect your accounts and schedule posts.